Okay, students, let's learn about time work relations. It is very important to know that whether it is direct relation or inverse relation. Okay, cost of 30 pens is 240. What will be cost of 18 pens? See, more pens, more cost. Less pens, less cost. So this is direct relation, right? When it is more pens, more cost. Less pens, less cost. So straight away do cross multiplication. So there we can away apply cross multiplication. 18 multiplied by 240, opposite one will be divided by 30. Correct. So answer is what? It is 144. Are you all with me? So first thing in such kind of questions is you have to understand that whether it is direct or inverse. Next, see, 320 kilometers in 5 liters. 160 kilometers will need how much liters? Definitely more kilometers, more petrol needed. Less kilometers, less fuel needed. Right? So it is direct relation. So again, straight away cross multiplication. 160 multiply by 5, divide by 320. You can do by 4's table also. 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 4 1s are 4, 2s are 8. 5 over 2, we know half of 5 is 2.5. If you all are confused, do like this. Correct? It is 2.5. Next, again think whether direct relation or inverse. 18 buckets can fill in 1728 glass. 1344 glasses can be filled in by how many buckets? Definitely, there are 18 buckets can fill in more glasses. Less glasses will need less buckets. So more buckets, more glasses. Less buckets, less glasses. Again, direct relation. So 18 buckets, 1728 glasses. 1344 glasses. How many buckets? Cross multiplication. Opposite will be divided. Directly apply divisibility rule of 4, ending with 44, ending with 28. 4's divisibility rule, because they come in 4's table. Again, ending with 32, ending with 36. 4's divisibility rule, because they come in 4's table. Correct? You can directly apply 12's divisibility rule also over here. Both are, or if you all are confused, apply divisibility rule of again 4. You know, kids, greater you have got grip on the concept, faster it can happen. 3 9s are 3 7s are. Correct? 9 2s are 18. So answer is 14 buckets. Are you all with me? Next. 6 men can do a work in 7 days. How many days are needed for 2 men to complete the work? Now, what is the logic? More men, less days are needed to finish the work. More men, less days are needed to finish the work. Less men, definitely more days are needed to finish the work. So see, this is inverse. More men, less days are needed. Less men, more days are needed. So this is inverse relation. More less, less more. Correct? When it is more less less, or less more, it is direct. But here it is inverse. See, for example, here what it was. More bucket can fill in more glasses. Less bucket can fill in less glasses. This is inverse. But here, more men, less days. Less men, more days. This is inverse. So whenever inverse is there, you will take inverse of this, or you will take reciprocal of this. Directly reciprocal. I've just taken the reciprocal. Now cross multiplication, again same thing. 6 multiplied by 7, opposite side will be always divided. Answer is 21 days. Ram alone can do the work in, always just be very careful about this, that whenever inverse is there, reciprocal, just drill this in your mind, okay? Whenever inverse is there, it should be reciprocal. Ram alone can do the work in 5 days. Shyam alone can do the work in 7 days. Together, Ram and Shyam can finish the work in how many days? See, kids, in such kind of questions, now we should always consider that in one day, they can complete how much work. So, Ram alone can complete work in one day. How much work? 1/5 work. Shyam alone can complete the work in one day. How much work? 1/7 work. So, together, Ram and Shyam can finish how much work? So it will be like this, 1 upon Ram plus Shyam. So in one day, Ram and Shyam can complete how much work? 1 over Ram plus Shyam. So 1 over Ram plus 1 over Shyam. So it will be what? 1 over 5 plus 1 over 7. You cannot add because my denominators are different. So first I will equalize them. Now I can add. Right? But then this is what? This is in one day Ram and Shyam can complete how much work? They are asking together Ram and Shyam can complete work in how many days? Right? So we will straight away take inverse of this because this is in one day. Basically 1 divide by 12 over 35. Correct? So 1 divide by 12 over 35. Rule of multiplication inverse. So it will be what? 35 over 12. Don't do all this procedure, straight away take inverse of this 35 over 12. But this is in improper fraction. You will convert it into improper fraction, right? You will convert it into mixed fraction. 12 twos are 24, 11 over 12. So answer will be 2, 11 over 12 days. They will complete the work. A and B can do a piece of work in 10 days, while A can do it alone in 18 days. So in one day, A can do how much work? In one day, A and B can finish how much work? 1 over 10 work. A can do the work in one day, how much work? 1 over 18. So can I say 1 upon this way? This is my formula. So 1A over this 1 over A plus B will be 1 over 10. I want to find this. I will take this on another side. Into 18, into 18, into 10, into 10. 18 minus 10, 180. So 8 over 180. Correct. This is what? Proper fraction. But proper fraction means reducing is important. Right? So we will reduce. 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Correct? So answer will be what? They will finish the work in 2 over 45 days. But this is in terms of one day. In terms of completely how much they can finish the work? 45 over 2. Now this is improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. In 2's table, lesser than 45 is what? 22, 44. So 2 times 22 is 44. 1 over 2, right? So answer is 22, 1 over 2, quotient, remainder over divisor. Next, A and B can finish work in how many days? 18 days. So in terms of one day, it will be what? 1 over 18. B and C can finish the work in how many days? 1 over 24. Every time you have to convert it in terms of one day. How long would they all take to finish the work? So all will be what? It will be like this. Correct. So this will be what? 2A plus 2B plus 2C. So in one day, they can finish this much work. What I will do, I'll take 2 common, right? So A plus B plus C, correct, is equal to A and B 1 over 18, B and C 1 over 24, A and C 1 over 36. What is the common multiple in order to find that? Take the LCM of this. You can directly do with 6. Always, better is go from lowest multiple only. If you all are confused in HCF LCM, go through that video. Okay, I will not explain that over here. You should be knowing by now. But if you all are confused, go through that video on my channel. HCF LCM video. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 24 3s are is what? 72. Correct? So 72 is my LCM. So here in 18th table, where does 72 comes? 4s are. Here 3s are. And here 2s are. Those ways are being taught in class. How to find bigger multiples, you all are aware. So 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9 over 72. 9 ones are 9, 8s are 72. This is in terms of 1 day. Together they can finish work in how many days? Just take reciprocal, 8 days. So answer will be 8 days. Just take the reciprocal. It will be 8 days. Are you all with me? So answer is 8 days. But no, we will not stop over here. This is what? It was 1 over 8. Basically, sorry, we have already taken, this is 8 days. But you will take this 2 on the another side. So 8 times 2 is what? 16 days. So A plus B plus C can complete the whole work in how many days? It will complete the whole work in 16 days. So that's why answer will be 16 days. Are you all clear, kids? Okay, that is it for today.